Hi! In front of me is Realme C31 and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration settings on this device. Start by opening settings. After that, you need to choose sound over here and click on vibrate for calls. Then select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Then scroll down, click on shortcut to prevent ringing and select vibrate if you want to by clicking on it. Now you need to go back, scroll all the way down and click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibrations and touch vibrations to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!